Hello, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. Today I'm going to unboxing this Aerosol spray can handle holder trigger grip aerosol paint, which I bought from Shopee. It's only 4 ringgit 99 cents. And here's the some of the pictures. Okay, and the description. Alright, okay, and let's look at it. Let's look at the product. So this is on top. It's plastic, very light, very light. Okay. Okay, so I use it for two types of cans. One is the spray, one is the paint spray, one is the hair aerosol spray. Both are the same, identical, same size, so you can use it. Like example, how to use it, you just slide from behind like that. It's already on place. Like this, the spray. Okay, to open it, just pull back. There, simple. Okay, and same goes to the hairspray. There you go. So it's very convenient and very cheap and very good things to have. So I recommend this to buy. So if you like it, the link for the product will be below the video. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.